is during the actual painting program, right?
Yeah.
You produce the engine and you put it in. During that actual making of the program, I had to
What's this?
sterilize my hands.
What's this got to do with?
Everything.
What's this got to do with relationships?
It's actually the same thing.
Relationships and engines.
It doesn't have to be an engine, it can be anything.
Yeah.
Right? So, this engine that I've produced is there. But because I didn't actually sterilize my hands when I actually went on that day, and believe me, I had to prove it on the fact that I sterilized my hands and put the engine in. Right?
Yeah.
Because it's different.
The engine's different.
The engine is different to everything else.
You're off your fucking tits, you.
Listen to me. The engine is something different to everything anyone's ever produced before. It's unique. Right? But it's still an engine. Right?
Still an engine.
Still an engine.
Yeah.
But it's unique. It's better than any other engine produced.
Right. More economical.
More economical, more power, everything.
Right.
Right? But because when I went in, I touched it. And it's a private thing. It's everything. Right? And that's why I'm paying it. Doesn't matter.
Is that what you're doing?
No.
No.
That's not what I do. Right? But
Why are you talking about engines?
because it's similar.
To what?
Everything.
What do you mean everything?
Right. So we have this engine. The world's most economical engine.
Yes.
And this bloke's touched it.
This what?
This bloke's touched it. It's his engine.
A bloke has touched an engine.
It's his engine. It's his engine.
He made it.
He made it, he designed it, he developed it.
Right.
Right? It's his engine.
Yeah.
And he's touched it.
Yeah.
Right? On that patent. That's it.
Does he apply for the patent, this guy that's touched the engine?
Yes. That's what he's applying for.
The patent on this engine?
Yes.
So, I'm not sure what you're trying to say.
But he's told them what he's doing.
What, the patent office?
He has to, because that's what it is.
So what's the engine?
The engine's like an extremely efficient engine.
What's your point though?
Right? He's told them.
Told who?
Everyone in the world.
Yeah.
Because it's patent.
But he patents it.
Yeah.
So he owns the rights to